What is this on this? Earth will stick on it.
How? Transpiration is a process. What happened in transpiration is plants absorb water through roots. Okay. Now from the roots, water goes into stem. Now through stem, the water is going into leaves. Okay. So now leaves release extra water in the air in the form of water vapor, and this process is called transpiration. Okay. So we are doing an experiment in which I will and we will just tie it. We will just tie it around this plant and we will cover all the leaves.
And wait for more than 4 hours.
We have to make sure that we have to keep this plant, the leaves, in a place where the sunlight reaches.
And we
Okay.
have to put it there
Because for this
more than
process,
4
the
hours.
transpiration process, we need sunlight. Okay, so we will keep this plant in sunlight and we will wait for some few minutes. Okay, like half an hour is sufficient.
Half an hour.
And then we will come again to see if the water vapor is around this or not. Okay, we will check if this has happened or not. Can you see the little water drops on the surface of the polythene? How these drops are forming? How these drops are formed? See, plants absorbs water from the soil. Okay, this water goes into the stem. Now through the stem, this water is going into the leaves. Okay, now these leaves have the tiny openings.
Called
Okay,
stomata.
and this is called stomata. Okay, so what is happening is that the extra water that the plant is having, the extra water, yes, is the extra water is getting released through the leaves,
Yes.
okay, into the air in the form of water vapor, and this process is called transpiration. Okay, so transpiration helps the plants to cool off them. Okay, नहीं ये वाला काट दो. Water, and why this process is important? Balance of the plant. Okay, it maintains the water in the plant. Okay, and what it maintains, surrounding for the leaves. So that's why the drops, the excess water, this is the excess water. Okay, in the form of drops. Okay, so this process is called transpiration. Okay.
Good morning everyone. My name is Devar, student of grade 3, standing before you to tell a presentation named Transpiration. Plant absorb water through their roots. This water moves through stem to the leaves. When leaves release extra water into the air, the process is called transpiration. Transpiration is the process in which plants lose excess of water in the form of water vapor from their leaves. They escapes through tiny holes, tiny openings on the leaves called stomata. Why is transpiration important? It helps in cooling the plant. It helps in the movement of water and minerals. It maintains the balance of water plants. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Prabhas. I am in grade 3rd. I am telling a presentation about transpiration. What is transpiration? Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. This water moves up through the stem to the leaves. When the leaves release extra water into the air, the process is called transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which the plants lose excess water in the form of water vapor. moves up. This water escapes through tiny openings on the leaves called stomata. Why transpiration is important? First, it helps in cooling the plant. Second, it helps in the movement of minerals and plants. Third, it maintains the balance of the plant. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rida. I am telling you presentation. Presentation name is transmission. That is the water from the soil through their roots to stem their leaves. Transpire is the process by which plants lose excess water in the form of vapor water vapor from their leaves. This this ex- through through their through tiny openings leaves called stomata. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Chandrapal Singh Rathod. I study in fifth class. My school name is Starwood. My topic is transpiration. Plant plant absorbed water from the soil through their root. Good morning, everyone. My name is Diksha and study in class 8. My topic is transpiration. Plants absorb water from the soil to the root. This water moves through the stem to leaves. Leaves release extra water from the air. It's called transpiration. It's cooled down plant. It's move through water minerals. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rakshan Singhal and I am a student of class 5. Today I am going to give a presentation about transpiration. The plant absorbs water from the soil through the roots. This water moves up to the stems to the leaves. It releases excess water in the form of water vapor into the air. The process is called transpiration. Uh, Transpiration is the process in which the plant lose excess water in the form of water vapor from the leaves. Thus water exits through tiny openings on the leaves called stomata. Why is transpiration important? It helps in cooling the plant, it helps in maintaining the balance of plants, and it helps in the movement of water and minerals. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmed, student of grade 6. Today, today my topic is transpiration. Transpiration is process. Plant absorb water from the soil from the root. Plant absorb water from the root soil from the root to the leaf 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 release extra water in the air. This process is called transpiration. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shobha. I am student of class 6. Today I am going to give presentation on transpiration. Plants absorbs water through the soil and that water is transported to the leaves, and leaves throw out extra water in the form of water vapor is called transpiration, and transpiration is done through the small tiny pores or leaf called stomata, and stomata is surrounded by guard cells which control opening and closing of stomata. Why transpiration is important? Because it helps in the cooling of plant and helps the water reach to great heights in taller trees by creating a suction pull. Thank you.